Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at some of the analysis on the trades we took last week in the premium group. Hopefully everyone can learn from it and you can add some of the ideas that we share into your technical analysis. So before we begin the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always there will be two links pinned in the comment section below, one to our free Telegram group and one to our website where you can check out all of the results from the premium group and find out more information about us if you are interested. So last week we had another good week. That's 3 really good weeks in a row now. 4 out of 5 of our trades hitting our take profit targets. So I'm going to select 3 of the trades here to show you. Starting off here with Atom, and looking here at the 1 hour chart, we set an entry limit for a retest of I was looking at just to front run this 618 fib level here, this green line here, after we had this big breakout. So I ran the fib levels across this move here. So yeah, looking at the key fib level 618, and also we had this 1 hour demand as well, and also another 1 hour demand here. So I was kind of looking to DCA. It's only about a 1.3% range. If the entry gave that in this zone. Looking for a reaction from this area, and if we press the play button we can see how this played out. We actually only got our first bid I think on this field because we got a perfect reaction from that there. So we ended up with about a 2.5% move on this. I think it might have even played out a bit more than that. Just over a 2% move on this. Yeah, there we go there. Before we've set our stops to break even before it came back to entry. So yeah, we actually secured about 2.5% move on that there. Second trade I'm going to show you is a trade on Ethereum. Looking here at the 2 hour chart, this is actually a limit we had in place for a fair few days. And what I was looking at here was right at the end of June, we got this big breakout here and leaving behind 2 hour demand here. So I was looking for this to be retested. I also ran the fib levels over this. So when I initially set this limit, it was around here. Now the fib levels were actually invalidated because obviously we did break above this higher, but I left this to run because of the clear 2 hour demand there. So I wanted to tap into that, although the fib analysis part of it wasn't standing up anymore. And we can see that eventually after a few days we did get a big rejection from there, and this went right down. We filled there exactly like a perfect bounce right at the top of our entry zone, and made about a 1.5 just over a 1% move on this. Yeah, 1.5% move, hitting our take profit target on that. And this just shows you guys, I mean, a lot of the trades we give are limit entries, which allows everybody in the group to set limits, but we just got to be patient. Sometimes they fill within a couple of hours, sometimes it takes a few days, but 9 times out of 10 we hit a great entry. And the third trade I will show you here is on AAVE, and it's a coin we've traded a fair bit recently. And what I was looking at here, this is the 4 hour chart. I ran the fib levels from this bottom here up to the recent top. Again, looking to test the 618 fib level, slightly front running it a bit, and also looking at this 4 hour demand that we had left in the middle here. And we can see if I run this, we did get our fills after a few hours and we got a reaction. I actually ended up setting my my take profit just after take profit 1 because it was the weekend. I took a fair amount of profit and put my stop loss to break even. Looking back, it was perhaps a bit too early because other members of the group had let the full range play out, so they got a better entry and managed to secure a much bigger move. So from the middle of our entry zone there, like a 3% move there up to the top. But profit is profit, and obviously weekend trading is always more risky. So yeah, hope you found this useful and you learned something from it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.